Life at Overture Hamlin is fantastic, it's rewarding, and it is enjoyable.
It's an active community, and everybody here, even though there's a wide range of ages, everybody likes to do things. It's becoming very social, and we're starting to look out for each other too.
It's amazing. The atmosphere is just inviting and loving, and it's family. And no one says it, it's just, it's a feel.
This is a homier environment, and you can tell. When you walk in, you can tell the difference by the decor. It's not just the feeling, it's everything.
I would tell anybody that's on the fence about moving to a 55+ active community, you haven't lived until you moved into one. Because I'm living and I'm having the time of my life.